We are right now in Karkudi Forest Rest House, located in the core zone of Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. A beautiful rest house built in 1915. It's a really wonderful rest house, well maintained. It's worth visiting this rest house, located in the natural environs. The whole area is surrounded with solar fencing to prevent the wild elephants entering the area. In the past, there is record of damage, lot of damage to the rest house here. Yeah, I am ready from